Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesdays! My tip for today is always use a oil. I love oils for my skin, for my hair, for cooking, all this life. My favorite oils are olive oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. I love olive oil, especially like after I wash my hair. I do like an oil rinse with this, which basically you just put the oil on and rinse it out. That's literally all an oil rinse is. And for me, it really helps to like seal in all that moisture. I love olive oil on my scalp. I love it on my skin. I love castor oil for my scalp as well, just to get in there. And also it really helps with hair growth, especially if you got thinning edges, or you just want a bit of growth. You can put castor oil on like every other day or every day, and you'll see such a massive difference. I also use castor oil for thickening. Now my hair isn't really thick and it's not thin either, it's like in the middle, so I always use castor oil on my ends, or just to massage on my scalp, just to just keep what I have. You have to embrace what you have. And I love coconut oil for pre-poo. Pre-poo is where you just use an oil before you shampoo your hair, and it just helps to detangle. Maybe it's just a habit, who knows. But yeah, those are my 3 favorite oils that I use every week. Olive oil I use every day, castor oil every other day, and it really does help. I mean, if you look at olive oil, you literally put some on, right? And your hair instantly shines. I mean, who doesn't want shiny hair? I love shiny hair. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and see you next week for Quick Tip Tuesday!